Hey, guys, welcome to episode 4 of my Nuzlocke. Today I'm going to try to get the Thunderstorm key, as well as battling T and Quincy. Now, let's get into it. So before I can get the key, you need to solve the puzzle. Probably because you're a kid, and you're wearing an ice cream cone. No wonder he ignores you. Alright, I can do the maze now. You can skip this part since it's just the maze. Also, moss is in storage because I need to use 4 doodles since Nimbus is using 4 doodles. It's one of the rules. If I'm lying, may Zeus himself strike me down? Moment. Oh, and by the way, I accidentally evolved static heat of camera. My bad. This is so boring. Angle. Yes, I finally found the portal. I guess I need to battle TJ. Now. The fuck just happened? Oh, fuck, no. Anyway, this battle was kind of hard because of his Doodle. Also over the level cap because I don't have level down cubes. Sorry, but I'm too lazy to go buy them. Damn mold cooked him. Also, how the hell did T get a double tint? Yay, I won. I mean, a main character, so not much you can do. I gotta get there before I get killed by lightning. Is this the Sky Island that Reginald mentioned? Why is Portia standing there? Is she hiding? Lord Quincy, girl, this is why he ignores
you. Can you please too?
Does this MFC have supervision? Are we cooked? Stalking Quincy. That's what she's doing, Reginald. No way. Quincy is making the ground shake like MFC is built like a 1x1 Lego brick. Yeah, bro, isn't beating anybody. MFC isn't getting revenge. This battle was overall easy, but his shot arc was a problem. Damn Pebble, putting the work in.
Bye!
Holy shit, that was a lot of damage. New woo. Bro, how did it survive? Luckily starters don't get released so. Finally. Yes. But first... Bye. Now, can battle Nimbus. Yes, I won. Yeses. Casio? What's happening? WHAT. Who is this guy? He looks like Quincy. Portia, please do something. What is that? Damn, bro is scared. How?
Bye!
Well, at least Portia saved us. I guess I need to go back now. I wonder where the next key guardian is. What is Quincy doing? Who is that? Holy shit, is that the nasty Mfessy criminal gamer who lives in the sewers? So I guess Mr. Riffraff and Portia has the teleporters. Well duh, we can't give him the keys. Where is it, and how do you know? Guess we should go there next, but how? Yeah, a poor loser who beat the shit out of you twice. How did I steal it? I got it fairly, but okay. Oh, fuck you. Nah, I'ma remember that. Now need to go to the forest again. It took me like 10 minutes to find Route 5 lol. Since you guys voted Uplift for me to catch, I'ma get it now. By the way, I leveled up my doodles off camera with wild doodles. Also, this video will most likely be chaining mayhem. I spent about 20 to 30 minutes leveling up off camera. Brew, Von Sweetsville with 5 times. Bro. Yo, a new move. Womp. Womp. IEW. This is where I'm ending the episode. Bye. Next up is Chaining Mayhem.